Right then guys, here we go again. Just another bit of useless information. Well, some of you might find it useful, to be fair. Now, people having problems with the bike cutting out and stalling when you're slowing down and you shut off the revs and it packs in, and other problems. And I think it's all down to it's either poor quality relays, probably cheap as chips, or the amount of duck fat what they've shoved in there in them connectors. Look at that, that's bloody ridiculous, that. Now, I understand they may do this for if the bike's going to be sat in a compound or in a shop or out like that, or I don't know, but all that should be cleaned off, definitely. You can see it caked, all of it really. Now what I'm going to do, or what I've done, I'm going to replace all these relays with some must be better quality, got to be better quality. The Bosch to start with, exactly the same. All these three relays are the same, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean them all off and I'm going to be fitting these. Now, Bosch part number 03322011107. I just got these off friendly neighbourhood eBay, a few pound a piece. I've got a full set and a spare one which I'm going to carry with me at all times just in case, and then you can always, if something goes wrong, for the sake of taking the side panel off and just replacing a relay, you can always try it and it might get you unstuck and get you home. So that's my plan of action anyway. So what I'm going to be doing is, to get rid of all this, I've got some degreaser which I'm going to be spraying into contacts and then trying to scrape as much as that crud out as I possibly can, because that can't be doing any good for any type of contact out like that. And then once I've done that, I'll get a good, once it's all connected up, I'll get a good lube with WD-40, which is a water repellent anyway, and we should be okay then. So let's get on with cleaning them then. Not looking forward to this fiddly little job. I hope you can see just how much better that looks. I've always done this on the left hand side, but just as a comparison you can see actually how much I've managed to get out. Now the only thing I've used there is a bit of spray. You can use your WD-40 or whatever. I've got some panel white which is a degreaser, so I presume we'll be able to get it out a bit better. Then just an old clean paintbrush, and I've scrubbed out as much as I possibly can, and then after that been using earbuds and just scraping out residue out. I've got quite a few still to do. This is my first one, so there you go. And then I will be actually fitting these new Bosch relays and labelling them up so I know which relay is actually which relay, which is your starter, which is main relay, which is your flasher relay, because they're all basically the same, really the same number of pins and everything. And then, like I say, I'll keep a spare one, and then if anything does pop or fail on me, I've always got a little bit of security knowing that I've got a spare one on bike, which I can just bang in like. So, there you go. So after getting rid of all that white, cheap, shite grease what they put on, these are your actual relays. You've got your main relay, your starter relay and your fuel relay. So if you have any problems, your bike won't start, check that relay. If you've got a spare one, you can always bang it in. Main relay, that'll do a multitude of different things, and obviously your fuel relay is for your fuel pump. Now what you've got up here, this is actually a flasher relay, which is only, it is a different one, it is only a 2-pin relay. But when you just think about the amount of gunk what were on the others, and then your flasher relay and connectors, clean as a whistle, not one little bit. So there you go. Your bikes may be full of grease. Mine might have been a Friday afternoon bike, just before clocking off, and I couldn't be asked to put any on. But I'm glad in a way, saved me a 5 minutes job anyway. But like, there you go then guys, it's quarter an hour to get all gunk out. It's just a little bit of peace of mind. So I'll just build it all back up now and might go for a little blot. See you there.